together on a special day. I sing our message loud and clear. Let's see if these birds are gonna move. I think these are buzzards. Buzzards and pickerels. The picture's a little messy today. Walk up on these birds. See if they're camera shy or not. Yeah, they're starting to dispatch. There goes my pickerel. Maybe this is close enough. They're saying close enough, dude. That's close enough. Look at them. They're ready for takeoff. Let me go around. Little birds. The sun is trying to come out, but it's a little shy these days.